Have you tried making tripe adobo? Tripe. This is from the stomach of a cow. I just use the thicker part of the tripe and then cut it into these pieces, these slices. Thank you for watching. This is Irene Zaragoza. Today we have tripe adobo. In making our adobo, we have to make sure our tripe doesn't have the funky smell. Now, it don't have the smell. You know what I did? I massaged this on baking soda and salt, and then wash it or rinse it 4 times. Next, I massaged it also in lemon juice or fresh lemon. Massage it here and then rinse again for 3 times. Then after that, I soak this in evaporated milk for 15 minutes and then rinse it again. Let's start cooking. We have to use our pressure cooker. 2 tablespoons, then onions, garlic, and ginger. Make it sweat, salt, and pepper. Now it's time for us to add the tripe slices. Let's add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of water, and then pressure cook for 10 minutes. Our adobo is done. It's now cooked and very tender. 10 minutes wasn't enough to make it tender, so we added another 10 minutes. Now it's very, very tender. Here's our tripe adobo. Wow. Very good, very tender. Melts in the mouth. Try making it. It's so good. No funky odor, no funky taste. Thank you for watching, Hungry Buddies. This is Irene Zaragoza. See you next time. Bye.